a full-time stay-at-home mom, and I work from home as well. I am a neat freak. My need for a clean house was really put to the test when I had kids. I like my house to be clean. I'm rather particular about it. I vacuum twice, sometimes 3 times a day. I vacuum everything, from my baseboards to my ceiling fans. Anywhere the kids have been, which is everywhere. The high chair. My husband teases me because I have been known to vacuum our front door mat. My husband even jokes that if you handed me a broom and a dustpan, I wouldn't have a clue what to do with it. Take it from a busy, neat freak mom like me, a central vacuum system is the only way to vacuum.